So here's a lesson on a brand new tune I wrote today called Lily and Jenn. So we're going to have a D minor chord. We have a little picking thing here. We're going to go straight up the strings. And I'm using 4 different fingers here. I'm going straight up from the big string down to the little string, using each of those 4 strings. Then I'm going to go back to the bass note, and then the 2nd string, and then the 3rd string. And that's going to be our basic pattern for part A. So we're going to have... Okay, that's a D minor, O2-3-1. Then we're going to switch to a O2-2-1. We do that same picking pattern. Then we're going to switch to a O2-1-1. And then to a O2-0-1. Okay, so that's our main picking pattern, part A. So we got... Okay, so straight up the strings. And then big one, 2nd string, 3rd string. And keep each finger on its own string. It makes it kind of easier to go fast with this. We don't have to go too fast, but still, you know. Then we switch chords. Next chord. Next chord. Okay, and that's called a chromatic descending, when you go one note down at a time on that like same string there. So okay, let's try that. 3, 4. Okay, let's try it again. 3, 4. Okay, so that's the A part of the song. That's the main part. We have another part after that that has a basic rhythm to it as well. What we're going to do now is we're going to overdub tracks on top of that main one. So this new part that's going to go over the top of that after that's gone one cycle through is going to be 7, 6, and 5 from your 3rd string on down. So we go 7, 6, 5, and then we put a pinky in here in the 8 on the 2nd string. So we go. And then we go little string, back of the 6 and 7. So 7, 6, 5, 8, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, all we're going to do is change the bass note. We're going to go 6, 6. We'll use that same note on the way down, but we used our same 8 down here and the same rest of the other notes. Now we're going to the 5 over here, 5, 6, 5. See that? Same stuff. So 6, and then 5. Now we're going to the 4. So to play this a little bit easier, we're going to go 4, 6, 5, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay, so. And then we switch positions. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, that's our second part of the song. Now we have a melody that comes in on this part A. It's going to go 10th fret and then 8, 6 to 5. So it's going to go. And then 7, 9, 10, 8. We got little 5, the 6 on the second, 7 on the little one, back to 6. Last 3 notes, little 13, 12, 13 on the second, back to that 10, same melody. Okay, then. Now we're jumping up to part B. We got to look at part B's rhythm part. So it's going to go. So we have a big 5 here, 3 on the little one. It's like a G chord. We got bass and then 3, 0, 0, and then hold that. 3-0-0 again, so it's, and then we're gonna go to the 4 over here, and then 3 over here, and 2. Okay, so it's 3, 4. Okay, that's the basic rhythm part for part B of the song. So that'll go twice. And then you'd be back. Okay, but there's a second part that goes with this G chord change, and that's going to be, so we're going to have a little G chord, a little 3 on the bottom, 3, 0, 3, 0, and then open G, up and down there. So we got, okay, and then we're going to switch chords, 2, 0, 2, 0, we're going to have a 4 on the top. And then 1, 0, 1, 0 with the 3 on top. And then open, open with the 2 on top. Okay, so it's. Okay, so that is what's going along with the. Okay, so that's the second part of part B. Then we have a melody that continues. Our melody ended up with like. Now we're going to come up to this 15 up here to start this new part. We're going to have 15, 17, 14, 14, 17, 15, 13. When you get to the 13, you go 13, 13, 12 in the second. 13, 15, 12. So this new part again is. So 12, 12, 15, 13, 12, back up to the high note. Now we're going to take this back to the beginning part. So here we're going to go 10, 12, 13 on the second string, back to that little 10, and back to the original D minor part of the song. So it goes. Okay, so it goes back to the part A, goes back to the part B, kind of repeats the part B again. That's basically the whole song. This is Lily and Jenn. That's your lesson for today. Hope you dug it. I'm Damon. Thanks for watching. Peace out.